Welcome back, everybody. Nearly blizzard conditions, but I am hungry. So let's fire up the Blackstone Griddle and make a jalapeno cheddar bratwurst, baby. Woo! This is definitely not for the faint of heart. All you warm weather sissies need not apply. Take a look at that. All right, folks, I think it's about time to give it a try. So good, so delicious, if you've got the guts to get out there in the cold weather and make it happen. I bought the jalapeno cheddar bratwurst at Costco. I've been buying them there for a couple years. The rolls, those are Sam's Club Bakery Fresh rolls. Sam's does it better than anybody else. Huge shout out to my friends at Mr. Heater. They've been hooking me up with heaters for the better part of a decade. And of course, I am the Blackstone Griddler, baby, America's Griddler. I've been cooking on a Blackstone Griddle for 9 years and 10 months, so just 2 months shy of a decade of 10 years on a Blackstone Griddle, baby. Hey, make sure you're watching my show. Let's give it a try every week on Blackstone social media. And until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the cheddar jalapeno bratwurst. These things are so good. It's frosty cold, baby.